Hi guys, today we talk about how can you create connect on your BandLab app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign settings here in app, click on it here. So then you come to this list and you just click here on create connect here. So then it's going to take you to this list here, just switching to open video here. So then when it's going to open video like this, then here can you create connect video here. So if you want to turn on profile status or turn off it, then here can you add your video here in their location, then here about in talents. So then you just click here on update here. If you want to add artists and you click here on update, then it's going to update with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.